making a lot of miniature products using a free magazine. This is super simple and easy, and first I'm looking through all the labels I want to use. I'm putting tape over all the labels I want to use to make it look like it was actually bought in a shop. First, I'm making a cake mix box, so I'm cutting it and then making a template for the box. This is super simple and just follow how I draw it in the screen. I painted it black and I also folded it. I'm gluing the label. I'm gluing it together and gluing a barcode. I actually put real cake mix in a bag and put it in the box. That's cute, right? You can use it like if you're doing mini cooking. I cut out a lot of labels and I have 2 of each except for these 2. So there's a solution. Just cut paper of that size and just glue it together. First, I'm making a cookie, so I'm taking clay, flattening it, and adding chocolate chips. So cute! Next, I'm making cauliflower puffs, so I'm just making random shapes out of clay. Chocolate's next, so take brown clay, roll it and then flatten it. I'm cutting off the edges and making cuts to look like chocolate. Next, I'm making tortillas, so I'm just tracing circles in yellow paper and cutting them. To make Doritos, take orange paper and then dot with a pencil to look like the spices. And then cut it into triangles. I'm making a Dove moisturizer, so first tape the label and then make the moisturizer bottle shape. Next, I'm making the squirty part of the Dove moisturizer. So just take blue clay and then shape it like it. Next, I'm making Easter eggs. So I'm taking clay and shaping it into Easter eggs. I made many Easter eggs for many different Easter egg packages. They are just so colorful and cute. I just love it. This is a really fun and simple craft and only requires you to be creative. Use whatever you have and just have fun. Next, I'm making snacks. So I'm just taking clay and shaping it into broccoli florets, and I'm making like French fries for each of the 3 beer batter and other snacks. I've made so many products this video and they're so cute. But I still have more products that I haven't finished making. So this is part 1 of the video. I will upload part 2 next week because I don't want this video to be too long. Well, I really hope you guys like watching this video. It took me a long time to make. So please like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.